Welcome back to DR's Automobi, where the future of mobility meets smart design. Today, we're talking about a car that could flip the EV world upside down, the $8,300 Wuling Bingo. This little EV from China isn't just cute, it's cleverly designed. Meet the Wuling Bingo, a retro-styled electric hatchback that mixes personality with practicality. Check out those round headlights, the soft edges, and the playful colors. It feels like a modern-day cartoon car for real-world city streets. It runs on a 32 kilowatt-hour battery, good for up to 333 kilometers on a single charge. That's more than enough for most city dwellers. And at just $8,300, this isn't just a car, it's a gateway to electric freedom for the masses. Its top speed and acceleration won't thrill the sports car crowd, but for zipping through traffic, parking in tight spots, and keeping your footprint small, it's a perfect fit. Inside, it's all circles and screens. You get dual digital displays, one for your drive info, and one for media. There's Bluetooth, app connectivity, and even voice commands, yes, all in a car that costs less than an iPhone Pro Max. Whether you're a student, a rideshare driver, or just looking for a stylish second car, the Wuling Bingo delivers on what matters: range, affordability, and easy city driving. It's not just a car. It's a statement that EVs don't need to be expensive to be awesome. This is urban mobility reimagined. Would you buy the Wuling Bingo if it came to your country? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love seeing futuristic cars at budget-friendly prices, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to DR's Automobi.